Is your BMW 5 Series Apple CarPlay acting up, disconnecting, or refusing to pair at all? Statistically, most connectivity glitches are minor software sync issues that you can fix in your driveway. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your wireless connection stable again. Start by performing a hard reboot of your iDrive system to clear out any stuck background processes. Often the issue isn't the car, but rather a VPN or an outdated iOS version interfering with the wireless handshake. If software tweaks fail, check your center console USB port for physical debris that might be shorting the connection. Simple resets usually work, but if the issue persists, you might need a dealer firmware flash. Dealer diagnostics can get pricey, so exhaust all your home software options first. If you have an OBD adapter, use it to pull specific error codes from the head unit module. Keep a basic OBD dongle in your glove box, as it is the most valuable tool for modern BMW owners. Remember, the technology in these vehicles evolves faster than the hardware, so keep your software current. If this helped, hit subscribe and share your experience in the comments below.